How to get free UK number for WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your internet is working properly. Then head to any web browser on your device. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type virtual number. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on the virtualphone.com link. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the country bar. Now search for United Kingdom. Now tap on United Kingdom. Now select UK toll-free number. Now select the type of number you want to get. Now tap on demo. Now scroll down and tap on start trial. Again, again scroll down. Now tap on free trial. Now complete the payment process and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.